Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make sure a file is safe before downloading it. If you're unsure about downloading a file from a website that might be malicious, there are a few options. As a last resort, you can use your antivirus software. There is another option. You can scan any file for malware with over 70 antivirus engines before you download it. The first thing to do is to locate a file's download link, the direct link to download the file, not the address of the file's download page. You can find it by hovering over the link and viewing the address in the web browser. Right-click the link and select Copy Link Address in Google Chrome. Copy Link Location in Mozilla Firefox. Or copy link in Microsoft Edge. Now head over to VirusTotal.com in your web browser. Don't worry, this tool has been owned by Google since 2012. Click the URL tab on the web page and then paste the link you copied into the URL search box. Click the search icon on the right or press enter to scan the file for any issues. VirusTotal will download the file you specified to its servers and scan it with a large number of different antivirus engines. If someone else has scanned the file recently, VirusTotal will show you the most recent scanned results. If you get a "No engines detected this URL", that means that none of the VirusTotal's antivirus engines found that there was a problem with the file. If you get a green 0/79, this means the file was detected as malicious by 0 of VirusTotal's 79 antivirus engines, which is good news. If one of the antivirus engines detects a problem with a file, you'll see a message saying that several antivirus engines detected the URL has a problem. You can also upload a file and scan it for any problems. Click the File tab, click the Choose File icon, a new window will open, select the file, click Open. VirusTotal will scan the file you uploaded. When finished, you will get your results. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Riley. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.